tick-tock, let's have fun with Mr. Clock. He's round and loud, not shy or slow. He'll help you learn where time will go.
Hello, little learners. Meet Mr. Clock. He's full of time and full of fun. Today, he's going to tell us how to read him. Tick-tock, ready, let's go. Oh no, my numbers are missing. Can you help me count them?
Tick-tock, tick-tock, let's have fun with Mr. Clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at my hands. I have a short hand for hours and a long hand for minutes. When the short hand points to a number and the long hand points to 12, that's a clock time. Just focus on the short hand. Wherever the short hand points, that's the time. Let's try. What time is it? Yes, it's 1 o'clock. What time is it?
Tick-tock, tick-tock, let's have fun with Mr. Clock.
It's 4 o'clock. What time is it?
Tick-tock, tick-tock, let's have fun with Mr. Clock.
It's 7 o'clock. Let's read the clock together, hour by hour. Are you ready? Let's go. It's 1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Mr. Clock is so happy you learned all the o'clocks. But wait, he has more to teach. In the next video, he will show you how to read minutes, the tiny steps between the hours. See you soon in part 2, and don't forget to subscribe.